Hey gang, Louis here. I've got a couple of jobs I want to tick off because I'm in the workshop and there's still a lot to do on the go-kart. So one of the jobs, the first things I want to tackle is the sticker kit. So this is the sticker kit that's on the cart at the moment, and you can see that there's some army branding on there, and this is somebody else's sticker kit, and that's just not gonna do. So we need to strip that off. I need to go and get my heat gun, and that is one of the first easy jobs that I want to tackle. The second job I want to tackle is the seat. I have bought myself a seat fitting kit. This is an OTK Tony Kart seat fitting kit. So it's new to me. I'm going to have to figure that out as I go. Last time out in the video, that didn't go so well. Oh my God. I was hoping to salvage some parts, but if you saw that previous video, you'll know that didn't go so well. Also, what didn't go so well was this air filter. I changed over the air filter element, and I said in the previous video that I wasn't sure which way round it went. And of course, such is my life, 50-50 chance I got it wrong. So I need to change that over as well. But let's get cracking. I'm going to get the heat gun. Bad news, I just went to get the heat gun. I did manage to do that, but there's no power in the unit next door. So I'm going to have to take it to, I'm going to strip these parts off and take them to just to a different location and get it stripped off there. So annoying. I was really worried that these bolts weren't going to come out okay, because if these holes aren't greased and lubricated well, then these can get bind up in here, and you can end up losing the thread and inside the pod, and that's basically a new pod then. So when it comes to re-putting all this back together, I'm going to make sure these are nicely greased, so if ever I need to take them off in the future at the track, it's going to come off nice and easy. So I've decided not to use this nacelle panel because I've got this newer one here. The only thing I'm waiting on is a couple of brackets, because this, you need some different style nacelle panel brackets. So I'm waiting on those in the post, but it doesn't stop me stripping it down today and getting it ready. Right, I'm all set up in here now. I've never attempted this before, so I don't know what to expect. The one thing I do know is that I think it's a lot easier to do if you have the parts, have the panels on the go-kart already. But I'm just going to tackle it off the floor. How hard can it be? That was not as easy as I expected it to be. I thought the heat gun would just blast through the stickers and I'd just be able to rip them off, but that was not the case. Maybe it's easier just to buy new, who knows. But I want to try and salvage what I can. That is my style. I'm not looking forward to putting the new stickers on though, I know that much. Let me go and tackle the rest. So that is all of the old army stickers off of the panels. I've just got to do the nacelle panel now. Try and do this all in one. It's going to be satisfying. My next job is to quickly look at that seat because I've got the kit. So there's no reason why I can't fit that today. Now I can't make heads or tails of this bolt kit, so what I'm going to do is lay everything out on this workbench and put it in the order which I think it goes in on the cart, and then I can just pick up pieces and I know where everything goes then. So I think that's how it's going to be clearest in my head. So let's do that in a minute. Right, so already this is way clearer in my head. We've got bolts that are used to bolt the seat to the chassis. We've got these bolts over here which bolt the seat stays to like the brake caliper area, and then these ones as well are for the seat stays to the seat. And then we've got these black spaces here which you'll see they bolt the seat to the seat stays and things. It'll all become clearer in a minute. And then these washers here I think are to space out anything that needs spacing out basically when you're fitting the seat. So this is a lot clearer in my head now, and we can just start hopefully bolting stuff on. Acrobatics. God. Okay. I'm going to get all this old stuff out of here so that I can't confuse it up with my new kit. So at the moment I'm just going to start off nice and simple. I've got a bolt, a washer, a nut and a washer, and that is what I'm going to start with, just keeping it simple. Just get this thing in and know that it fits. So I don't really know what's going on with the original bolt holes on this seat, because I just pan you around so you can see that in its current form that is just not straight at all. I don't like that. It's not angled right either. So there's some serious issues that I'm going to have to now fix. So I think I'm going to just align this as best I can, mark new holes, and then get drilling. So I can't help but feel like I've gone backwards with the go-kart. The seat is not playing ball, and rather than just drilling holes aimlessly, because it's got enough holes in it as it is, I don't want to weaken the seat in any way. So I possibly, considering Joe has got to fit his seat as well, we might look at maybe getting a seat fitting kit, not a fitting kit, but like an alignment kit, which will mean that I can bolt this in properly and do it right. Because I'd just be aimlessly drilling holes at this point, which I don't want to do. Having said that, the go-kart is looking a bit more like my own. Completely stripped down. You can sort of see what it's gonna be like now. It looks really dirty. That's because it needs to be cleaned up, and it will look a lot better with the sticker kit on it. But slight bit of progress made this week. It's going to be a shorter video this week, but next week, for next video, I'm hoping to go to Castle Combe. Now I've said it now, so I'm going to have to go. But that is what I want to do for my next video. I'm going to head to Castle Combe. They've got the spring action day on. We'll have a look at some cool cars and have a look around. Try and maybe go to the areas that you don't see so often. So maybe less racetrack and more cars. But I'll see what's about. I'll take you along for that journey. Let's go. But that'll be it for this week, gang. Unless I can think of anything else to do. I did change the air filter around, so that's now the right way. my bad. Yeah, don't know. It's difficult. It's difficult when you haven't got everything. And I can't even rely on suppliers because I ordered the kit, the brackets to fit this Nassau panel, and only one arrived. And on the invoice it just says one, and one will be with you when it's with you. So I'm like, oh, okay, kind of needed that for this video. But hey ho, yeah, that'll do for this week. See you later, gang.